Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video and welcome to another corner of my room. Now this is just the same room, of course you know. You recognize this room because of this sofa, but this is I think the right corner. I have a table over here, a chair, और वहाँ corner पे ना you can see a little bit of a mess because I have my newspaper over there and I can't throw my newspapers. If you are an UPSC aspirant, I'm pretty sure that you'll relate with me. और वहाँ पे कुछ ना shoes के boxes हैं, so please do not judge me. This is just my house. I do not shoot in a studio, so it is just, you know, from my room to yours. So let's quickly get started with the video. So how today's video is going to be like? Today's video will be slight bit of an update on a Zara haul. I did a Zara haul and I did show you one of the jackets. So I have exchanged that jacket and I have to show you that jacket. Then I have a couple of things from Myntra because there's a huge sale which is going on Myntra. I think 24th tak hai, I'm not really sure. Today is what, I don't know when this video will go up. But if you like any of these things, you can definitely wait for January sale and you can buy them. But of course there are certain things जो मुझे नहीं पसंद है. There are not many things from Myntra. I think just 3 things. And then I also got some accessorized jewelry, but then I have to get up and go. I'll show you the accessorized jewelry in some other video, but today I have 3 things from Myntra. Then I would stop for a quick sponsor break. There will be a Mamaearth product review and then we will start with Amazon sweaters haul. So that would be the breakup of today's video. I'll leave the timestamp of everything in the description box below, so you can watch if you want to watch Zara, if you want to watch Myntra, if you want to watch Mamaearth, or if you want to watch you know, the Amazon video. You can just click on the highlighted numbers and you will be taken forward directly to that part of the video. So let's quickly get started. The first question I'm pretty sure that I'll get is about this sweater. So this is a sweater by Only. I got it from Flipkart and this is only to tell you that I have a Flipkart sweaters haul coming up really soon. Flipkart apparently is killing it with all the products that they have. Apart from that, the price of the products on Flipkart is just, you know, so competitive. I got such good deals from there. So I would be doing that video very soon so that you guys can benefit out of it. And this is a sweater by Only. It is a loosely knit sweater, but it is very comfortable. So this is the first thing, of course, in this haul of mine. Maybe you'll see it in another haul, but yes, this is from Flipkart, so that is the only thing. Next up, I have to show you guys or give you an update about a Zara product that I got. If you guys have not seen my Zara video, I'll leave a link over here. I think just a couple of days back I did that video for some you know, winter jackets and shoes. So I told you guys that I got a jacket that had stains here, so I returned that jacket because apparently on Zara's website you cannot exchange products. You can return them, you get the refund, and then you order again. So I ordered this jacket again. That was slightly big, size medium, but they had stocked up on other sizes as well. So I got myself a size small, which fits me perfectly, and also it does not have a stain. I would highly recommend you this jacket. If you're looking for a jacket which is like heavy duty winter jacket, this is originally for 6,990, 7,000 ka, but I got it on a sale for around 4,000 rupees, which I think is a steal. Right now as I'm filming this jacket is still on sale. This is in the color or the shade Toffee. And the only problem with this jacket is that because it is light colored, of course it is going to get stained. Same jacket in black color is kind of expensive at the same price. That did not go on sale. Of course, these people are very smart. So this is what it looks like from inside. It's all furry and cushiony, and this is a very cool jacket. I mean, I just love it. It fits so well, and it also has a belt, so you can just put the belt on. I'm going to leave it like that, but it has a belt and it looks really nice. So yeah. And you can also remove this hood, which I think is great. So I really like this jacket. The fabric is real nice. The only thing is that if you stain it, just remember that that stain will not go. So that's the whole problem with that. So that was my Zara jacket. Next I got this watch by this brand Dressberry. I absolutely love Dressberry. Dressberry is a brand that I really like and look forward to for some affordable watches. If you like affordable watches that kind of are durable, you can go for these. I think one of my subscribers also, you know, sent me a picture of this and she wanted me to review it. Also, a few of my subscribers did, you know, kind of save this in their wish list. This went on sale for 9,000. This went on sale for 999. Originally, this is priced at rupees 27.99, and such a good watch. It is a metallic watch. It has this rose gold or a gold dial. The inside part, the dial's inside part is also grey, and then this chain is kind of stainless steel. but it is like coated with something, I don't know, but it is kind of metallic grey. It is a stainless steel strap and it's really nice. I mean, I really like this watch. I loved it. I love the color. They also had this one in a dusty pale pink color. How cool would that be? I think I'll try and get that. It is only for $999 and they last really well. Sometimes, you know, the battery dies in like 6-7 months, but you can change the battery. But apart from that, like, I've been wearing Dressberry watches from past 3-4 years and they are still like in my collection. They are still like working fine. So I think for an affordable thing, if you do not care about the brand and all, like, there are so many people who are like, no, I cannot wear a watch unless it is like Omega. I'm not like that. I can wear whatever watch till the time it's giving the right time. So I really love this watch. Like, I love the color of this and I think I will go for that dusty pale pink watch. I would highly recommend this one. You can try this one out. Then I got myself a shoes. Now the other day I saw like Alia Bhatt wearing a really nice Indian desi anguthe wale heels hote hain na wo. So I thought, I don't have any pair like that, and if I'm wearing like an Arcali or something, I want a pair like that than the strappy heels. So I bought myself a shoes from this brand which is House of Pataudy. Now, you know, I'm a huge fan of House of Pataudy's Indian wear, but some of the times I feel like it is also disappointing. Like, I bought a, you know, really beautiful dupatta for 2000 rupees and it was like really bad because it was very glittery. Then I gave a chance to their shoes. This is how it comes. It comes in this kind of a box. They also give a dust bag along with the shoes, which is good. And the shoes is this. So this is a very classic color combination: silver, black and gold. I got myself a really nice kurta set from this brand Acho, of course on your recommendation, and I wanted really nice heels. Not that I do not have a silver and a black heel, but I thought I wanted something very like traditional pair of heels, like bridal. So I went for this one. It is good, like, it's not bad. It looks nice. It has a base of gold, and I mean, this is not my style honestly, but I think with Indian wear, these kind of shoes look really pretty. However, I feel that this is very expensive for the price point. Originally this is for 3,499, like 3,500 straight up. Sale पर this went on 2,700 rupees. फिर sale के 1-2 दिन के बाद again this went on a discount for I think 1,700 rupees or 1,900 rupees, and I decided to pick this up. Now when I received it, it is better. Like, if you closely see, a lot of brands that make like salwar suits or something, they also apparently make shoes. Like for example Anouk. I also got one of the shoes by Anouk and I ended up returning that. It was just like this only, but it was in a red color and I thought it's a beautiful red color, so I'll wear it with a red Biba kurta set. But it was really bad quality, so I thought let me give Pataudy House a try, you know, because Pataudy House is a good brand. Their products are really highly priced. बहुत expensive products हैं. Quality कोई बहुत ज़्यादा खास भी नहीं है, especially if I talk about these shoes. So अगर you like these shoes, like these are not bad shoes, these are good quality shoes. If you like these shoes, you can get them for around like 1,500 rupees, 1,600 rupees, maximum 17. उससे ज़्यादा पे do not buy the shoes. It's not worth it. So I like it at sale price, not at MRP at all. Next up, I got a really nice bag. So sale is the best time to actually shop for bags. So I got this bag by Accessorize. It's a really cool bag in a really cool color, and the pricing was even more cooler. So I think I paid around 1,000 rupees for this bag, which in my opinion is a steal. It's a really nice, versatile, functional bag. This is what the bag actually looks like. It's a very nice, you know, beige color bag, and this is the front part of it. It has a tassel-y thing here in the front. No, it's not a tassel. I think it's a keychain or something. And then here is a flap that opens, so it is just a magnetic flap, and underneath this is kind of a croc print. And then this part is kind of patterned faux leather material. This is a croc print. You know, straps. It does not come with long straps. Of course, it's just a handheld bag. And then this is the zipper compartment of it. And when you open it, there's a lot of space, ton of space inside of this one. There is also a zipper compartment inside of it, slip-in pockets over here, and that makes this bag super functional, super kind of versatile. It looks kind of really cool. It's a big nice bag, beautiful color. Original price of this bag is, I think, I'm not really sure. This is for I think 2,000. This is for 2,290, but I paid around 1,000 rupees for this one, and I absolutely love that bag. Next one, I would move on to a product by Mamaearth. Today I will be reviewing their product, which is called as Mamaearth Upton Night Face Mask, and of course there's a face cleanser that you have to use before using this night face mask, which is called as Upton Face Wash. I do not know how many times I've spoken about this particular face wash. It is one of the best face washes. If you're looking for a nice face scrub, it is actually a face scrub, but they call it a face wash. It has turmeric and saffron into it, and it is such a good face scrub. It has small little granules into this one, which gently exfoliates the skin, and this one is priced at rupees 249 for 100 ml or 100 grams of product. But of course, you always get this on discount. Then the next product, which of course is the main product, is this one. This is a very good product. This is called as Mamaearth Upton Night Face Mask. It has turmeric and niacinamide into this one. It comes in a tub like this. So now I will insert my nighttime routine clip after this clip, and of course I'll also insert my next morning clip where I'll show you my skin after I have had a shower. So yes, let's watch my 2-product nighttime routine. So the 2-step nighttime routine. I can't tell you guys, you have to trust me when I say that the Upton range from Mamaearth is one of the best ranges I've tried, and I have so many of their face washes. This face wash kind of grew on me. Initially मुझे लगा कि नहीं ये creamy texture का face wash है तो I'll have acne and all, but I had no problem with this one. And the best part is that I still believe in kind of physical exfoliation, and this has slight bit of, even though it is called as face wash, but it has some granule particles छोटे छोटे, तो आप उसको धीरे धीरे अपने फेस पे स्क्रब करो. It doesn't even say face scrub. This is actually Upton face wash with turmeric and saffron, and this is for tan removal. And of course all the ingredients used by Mamaearth are all natural and chemical free. This brand is cruelty free. This brand is PETA certified as well. So I simply love this brand. So I use this face scrub or face wash in the night time, and after cleaning my face with this one, this is your night face mask. This is called as Mamaearth Upton Night Face Mask. It has turmeric and niacinamide in it, and this is for glowing skin. This product does not have any parabens, silicone. This is for all the skin types. This product is also dermatologically tested, and it has some active, bioactives in it, which is very good for the skin. This is a very good product. The texture is almost like a velvet. It is a matte velvet texture. It is so beautiful. It is so beautiful, I can't even tell you. I've not felt the texture of any product like the one that I have. It's like transparent, matte, velvety texture. So this particular product is basically for hydration. It gives you even skin tone, and it improves the skin texture. It gives you a little bit of glow as well, and it definitely hydrates the skin. I would quickly show you what the product actually looks like from inside. It comes in a box like this. There's a spatula that comes along with this, and I would highly recommend you using a spatula or anything like that, or the back of the spoon to scoop out products from your tub-like products. So it has some products on the outside because I used it, so that's why it's a little dirty. There's a top protective lid over here. You just remove that, and here you have the products. A beautiful neon or orange, yellow color product, and it is matte neon orange color product. This is one of the best texture and smells so good. All the products from this range smell really good. You just scoop out this product like this. Itna I think sufficient hota hai, and I just like to take it in my hands and then apply a thin layer of it on your face like this. It is actually a face mask, so it has to be kind of left like this. You don't have to massage it and just go to bed. The texture is kind of, you will not feel anything. It's a very watery texture. It's like you have whipped up water. It is that lightweight, so it's not going to stain your pillow. It is not going to stain your clothes even if you sleep like this. After a little while it just absorbs into the skin and you'll not feel anything, but you will wake up with a really nice beautiful skin in the morning, which of course I'll show you in the morning after I go to bed. But I'll just let it sit, because ekdam se aise you can't sleep, because then it'll obviously transfer, because it is a mask, you've not kind of massaged it. I'm going to just let it sit for a while, and in the meantime I'll just quickly tell you that Mamaearth is actually an Indian brand, guys, and it is one of the coolest brands I've come across. This brand is very environment friendly. It has a lot of goodness initiatives. Pehla goodness initiative would be the plant goodness initiative. I think I've definitely spoken about this. So every time you place an order on their website, they link your order to a tree. Actually, they link your order to a tree, and you can actually have all the details about the tree, such as the geolocation, किस species का वो plant या tree है, plus उसका picture भी. So it is very transparent, and then you feel good also. So this way, just by purchasing from Mamaearth, you're actually contributing a little towards the environment, that's something I totally appreciate a lot. So I think you should definitely promote an Indian brand, and that too a brand that takes care of the environment in such a transparent manner. And of course, you know, it is a plastic positive brand, it is a toxin free brand, and I absolutely love, you know, using Mamaearth products. I've been using their products from such a long time, so you can definitely try out their products, guys. This product, the night face mask, it's a very good product. I'm going to leave the links of it in the description box below. This product is available on a lot of websites, Amazon, Nykaa, Mamaearth.in, जो कि उनका खुद का website है. Most of the times it is available on discount almost everywhere, but Mamaearth has actually very kindly given my subscribers and viewers, all of you, a coupon code which is SANA2020. So if you make use of this coupon code, you're going to get 20% off on your purchase from Mamaearth.in. But as I always say, buy from where you're getting the best deal. Hi guys, good morning. I just had a bath, so you can see my skin, it's looking really nice. The best part is that I feel really plump and my skin feels really kind of refreshed, so I feel very fresh in the morning. I just came out of the shower. I'm literally wearing my sweater, but I'm not wearing any pants underneath. Do not try to imagine. I'm wearing what is required, but yes, I just wanted to shoot this clip so that I can show you guys just out of the bath, you know, this is what my skin feels like. My skin feels so good, so I'm very happy with this product, and I'm going to leave the link of it in the description box below. Check the product out. I love it. So guys, that was my small little review about Mamaearth's Upton night face mask, and of course the face wash, which is the Upton face wash. So guys, now moving on to some Amazon winter wear. I have a few products that I wanted to show you guys. So the first thing that I want to show you, and it is so cozy and comfortable, I can't even tell you. It's a really nice scarf, but this is actually a pashmina shawl which is 100% cashmere, and it feels like that. It is such a beautiful Burberry print, and then it has pom-poms at the bottom which are like so super soft. It's a, you know, when I was young I had a shawl like this one which was in a beige color, and I loved it because that was a gift from my sister. So when I got, and I lost that shawl, so when I saw this on Amazon, I thought I would give it a go, and this is very affordable also. I think I paid around 700 or 800 for this one, and for that price point I cannot recommend you this particular scarf enough because it is so cozy, it is very warm, and it looks very cool. Very expensive actually for the price that I've paid. It's not like a proper shawl, you know, it's just a scarf. So it is like this wide, and the length is not a lot, it's like 2 meters, but it's really good and extremely good quality. I simply love that one. It's very warm actually, and very soft material. Next, I got some sweaters from Amazon. So the first sweater that I have to show you is this one. Now you will see a lot of Vero Moda in this haul, so I love this sweater and therefore I got it. This is by Vero Moda. I also did wear it in one of my videos, and it is such a cool sweater actually. This is a navy, no, it's a black and a white striped sweater, and this is what it looks like. Basically the fact that it is v-neck is something that wins my heart, but apart from that, when I received this particular sweater, it is very soft and it is very lightweight. I got this one in the size small, and this fits like perfectly on me. It is kind of snug, but if you want to go kind of, you know, a little baggy on your sweaters, you can go for a size bigger. But it is very nice, very stretchable, very comfortable. It is one sweater, of course, if you wear just on your bra, it is not going to itch. That is my #1 concern, and therefore I always repeat it. It does not itch just on your skin. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It has this small little thing over here that says love, and this is the first sweater that I have to show you. Next, I got this sweater, which is again by Vero Moda, and this is what it looks like. So I saw this sweater on Ajio also, and I ordered there, but on Amazon I was getting a better deal. I just tried it, so that's why it is inside out. This is what it looks like. So this is one sweater which you cannot wear on its own. First of all, it has some golden threads which slightly itch, so I would recommend wearing a slip underneath or a spaghetti underneath just to be kind of comfortable. But it's a good sweater to layer on, like if you want to wear a jacket. Like for example, if I want to wear my Zara jacket, I would love to have this sweater underneath, so your jacket will fit perfectly and you will not be cold also, because this is actually a sweater but very thin material. This is what it looks like. It's very beautiful. It is off-white and golden, so it's like very festive, and it's very cool. I really like it. And the back part, it has a keyhole thing. It was very expensive otherwise. I don't know why it's so expensive. It's just a thin material, but I don't know. This is again by Vero Moda. Got myself in the size small. The next sweater that I have to show you is this one. This is again by Vero Moda. Yes, yeah. This is by Vero Moda, and this is what it looks like. Now this one, I'm a little slightly disappointed. This is like a diamond patterned sweater. This is what it looks like. I'm not sure if I like it, but this one is high neck, slightly cropped, but it is a very soft material for sure, and this is very, very warm. Like, it is like a blanket material, but the back looks like this. It has this kind of a zipper. I think just a very small zipper at the back, but yeah, it's a pretty sweater. This is what it looks like. So got that, and then I got a few sweaters. No, I think just one sweater by Marks and Spencer's, and I got this. This is a really festive sweater, guys. I got myself in the size 10 and fits kind of really perfectly. Again, this sweater is on the same line as this one. Like, for example, slightly sheer, very thin fabric, but warm. So this is going to be a good piece to actually layer on, and this is what it looks like. It has some silver threads into it. It's kind of blingy and shiny, and the best part that I like about this sweater is slightly puffed up sleeve. If you can see, there's a little bit of a ruching here on the shoulder part. So yeah, it looks really pretty. I love the sleeve, and it is very snug. So I think I should have gone for a size 12, but this fits kind of very comfortable. So this is not a high neck sweater, but this is a great sweater to wear underneath your jackets. Of course, you can wear it like this also, but yeah, and this is warm, so it's not bad at all. This was very expensive, I think, but then I paid around 1,000 rupees or 1,200 rupees for this one. However, the sale prices kind of fluctuates, so you know, you have to check the description box for the link. So you click on it and you'll find out what is the current, you know, sale rate, because none of these were of course available on MRP. Next sweater that I'm so happy that I got it is this one. This is by Only. I love Only products, okay? You would clearly understand that I love Vero Moda products, I love Only products, and this is one sweater that I can't tell you, I really liked it. The only problem with this one was this was not on sale and this was very expensive, but I'm pretty sure कि अभी ये sale पे चला गया होगा. This is a very cute Tom and Jerry sweater. It is a sweater, but it is a very lightweight fabric and it is slightly cropped. It is so cool, guys. I can't even tell you. I love this sweater to bits. It looks really nice. It's just that, you know, it is sheer. There's a lamp. You can see that it is a sheer fabric, right? It's a sheer sweater, so you'll have to wear a spaghetti underneath this one. The sleeves are like this. I just love the color combination. I love the pattern. Even though it is warm, I think it would be a good idea to wear a jacket if you're heading out, but of course inside you can wear it like this. It's a really, really cool sweater, and this is my most favorite sweater from this haul. I love this, would highly recommend, but get it on discount. मेरे जैसे बेवकूफ़ी मत करना. Do not buy it on MRP. So I think this is the last thing of this haul, is this sweater by Vero Moda. I love this sweater. It's a beautiful, what color is this? It's a brick red color, or it's a rust color, baggy, oversized, loosely knitted sweater. A v-neck sweater which has golden weaving into it. So any sweater that has golden or silver thread weaving is going to itch for sure. मतलब उसको try करने से पहले ही you understand this fact कि that will itch, and it's not going to be one of those sweaters that you just can wear on top of your bra. You'll have to wear something underneath this one. So for sure I'll have to wear underneath this one. However, it does not itch that much, but it is not very comfortable also. This is what it looks like. I got myself in the size small. Still this fits very baggy. So Vero Moda may always go one size down. Even I think in Only, go a size down if you want kind of snug sweaters. This is very loose on me, but I really like this sweater a lot. I think right now this one is available for 1,800-1,900 rupees on other websites, but I got a good deal on Amazon. So sometimes Amazon also sells some cool stuff, you know. So I really like this sweater. I hope you like it too. So guys, yes, that was my last sweater that I had to show you that I got from Amazon. I'm going to leave the links of everything that I've shown in this video of mine from Myntra, Mamaearth products and the Amazon sweaters in the description box below. And you can definitely, if you want anything, if you like anything, just check the description box for the direct links. So guys, that was it in this video of mine. I hope you have liked this video, and to everyone watching this video, Merry Christmas and have a very, very Happy New Year in advance. So thank you so much once again for being a part of this beautiful family, and thank you so much for sticking through with me during this entire year of 2020. I think it was a great journey so far, and I'm looking forward to many more years you know, in future with you guys. So thank you so much. I love you all so much, guys. I'll see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself, and once again, you know, I cannot say this enough, but I love you all so much. Bye guys.